We'll guide you through how to download and install Lunar Client for Minecraft. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. Lunar Client is super useful as it goes and boosts FPS, as well as that you can go and use it with mods as well, and we'll be guiding you through how you can get it. Let's get started. First of all, quit Minecraft. It's important to note that for this to work, you do need to own Minecraft. If you don't, you won't be able to go and follow this guide. So if you own Minecraft, which you probably do if you're watching this, let's continue. Go and open up a web browser. And what you need to do is go and type in Lunar Client like so. Make sure you come to the official site, which is lunarclient.com. As you can see here it is, the #1 free Minecraft client. Now you need to head to the top right and there is the download button. Go and click on it. You can scroll down and choose your system. In this case, I'm using Windows, so I'll click on download. Before we get any further, a big shout out to the sponsor of this video, Apex Hosting. They should be your go-to place for a Minecraft server. If you're interested, at the moment you can get 25% off your first invoice. So I'll put a link down below in the description and in the comments. They've got so many great features like one-click install mod packs, DDoS protection so your server is safe, 24/7 servers and support so you can get the help anytime you need it, ultra low latency and much more as well. Come out of your web browser and come and open up your file explorer and come to the downloads folder and then you should find the installer. Then all you need to do is go and double click on it like so and we can start the process. You can choose your language in the bottom left here and click on next. You can see the installation folder. You need to accept the terms of use and privacy policy and confirm you're at least 18 years old. I've read and I already agreed to them so I can click on next. And you then need to accept and install this here as well to continue. So I'll click there. Now go and wait. It shouldn't take too long. If you receive an error when installing it, you can try just reinstalling it or alternatively right click on it and try running it as administrator. I did that and it solved the problem. It should then go and open up and you can go to the top right and what we need to do is go and log in. So click on the button, click to log in. You should then go and get this pop-up here. And what you then need to do is go and sign in with your Microsoft account, which has got Minecraft on it. I've now logged in, you can see in the top right. So what you can do is go to the left here to come to the home page. You can then go to the left and click on versions. You can check out servers. In this case, I'm going to click on home to the left here. And then what we can do is go and launch it 1.21 with Fabric just by clicking here. It may need to go and do an update, but all you need to do is go and wait. Here we are in the Lunar client. As you can see, things do look slightly different. You've got lots of options at the bottom you can go through like skin changer, changing the language, Minecraft settings, Lunar cosmetics and settings. But for now, let's just go and get into a world. Here we are in the world and you can go and see all this useful information. We can go and see our coordinates in the top left. At the top, we can go and see a compass and the direction we're currently facing and some other information in the top right as well. Also, you're going to notice the performance should be better with Lunar as well, hopefully. So that's it. If you found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. I look forward to helping you in the future.